Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Rhake. It's a 22-liter weatherproof laptop backpack made by Mission Workshop. It has a lifetime warranty and it's built to endure, they say. So here's the backpack. It has a bunch of these clips and they come apart so you can get into the backpack right there. So you just lift up and then pull out. So they're very quick and it looks like they're possibly magnetized. I'm not sure exactly how that works, but they attach very quickly. So the flaps are like that. And you can see the zipper lining right here. It's weatherproof. We like that a lot with weatherproof backpacks. So then this opens up and you have a zipper opening here. That's cool. And multiple zipper pockets here of varying sizes for whatever you need. An inside catch-all, maybe for your keys. Put your keys here. So that's this flap. And this flap also has a zipper right here. Okay. And that stops here, so it's not supposed to go all the way around. So stuff that you put into this pocket doesn't fall out. So maybe a large phone, maybe even a tablet you can fit here. It's quite big. It's nice. Okay, and then going further up, the roll top is very popular right now with backpacks. So this is a roll top. As you can see, it rolls up. There's Made in the USA, Mission Workshop. Very cool. We're going to go vertical now. So you can see inside this is 22 liters of space. So all the way down to the very bottom. It's very, very large space. And there's another zippered compartment right here. And that goes also all the way down to the bottom. So there's two very long pockets here. This one's zippered. And then this is Velcro, as you can see right here. So with roll tops, you roll it like that, and then you can do it like that. And then on the back side of the backpack, you can see a normal clip for the waist. And these are padded right here to keep the flat off of your back when you're using it. So there's airflow, and then there's a pocket on this side. This is the left side of the backpack. And this is like a mesh pocket in here. That's also about the size of a smartphone or a very small tablet. Now there's a small hole here through the mesh. You could possibly run a battery cable through so you can charge it right here. So that's the left side. And it looks like there's a zipper here on the right side as well, but this is almost the full length of the backpack. That's also a waterproof zipper top right there. And look how big that space is. It's huge. So even more space. Fit a whole laptop in there if you want as well. And here's another zippered compartment up here. This is also a waterproof area zipper. And then this pocket goes about halfway down. So you could fit a tablet in there easily, no problem. Again, that's a waterproof zipper. You can see it comes together. And then this folds back over the top like that. And then at the very bottom of the bag, there's another zippered compartment. And this is just small enough to fit maybe cables, or ties, or keys, or change, or even a battery if you want. But there's no hole to the inside of the bag, so it'll just be for this one compartment. So there is that. And I believe we've gone through all the zippered compartments, but this is worth showing a second time. These padded back areas here help. And this also goes through a bag top. So if you want to slip it on top of your luggage while going through the airport. And this is a nice handle right here that's been padded inside with like a rubber tube. And then this has a strap connector piece up here. So you can put something over the front part of your bag if you wish. This is made by Mission Workshop. It's got a lifetime warranty and it's the Rhake 22-liter weatherproof laptop backpack.